Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, AntiquesArena. I am firstly and most importantly a family man, but I have a serious passion for antiques and collectibles. On my channel will have content from everything from family days out, so you can get to know me and my family. I also have a best friend that comes pretty much hand in hand, Sandra. You'll see her in the occasional video. She's absolutely wonderful and nuts at the same time, and you'll have a great laugh watching her and films along that nature, all the way through to, well, films of everything really, but the most important and the most exciting films are the ones where I go out on treasure hunts around car boot sales, antique fairs, flea markets, and you get to see the treasures I buy. And you wouldn't believe what comes over the door in my shop here for me to buy, and you get to see everything. In addition to videos showing you my treasure hunts and everything, I create films which are designed to help you 100%. I do films from how to test silver and gold, how to date antiques, how to identify this, how to identify that. What can I say? I do book reviews, just trying to think off the top of my head, guys. There is so much content on my channel for you. I'm an antique dealer. I've been doing this for best part of 20 years. I have my own little antique shop. It's small but beautiful. So you get to learn from my experience and my mistakes, really. Because believe me, in the antiques world, we all make mistakes. Now, I've created my content and I do it every week. I have 2 or 3 videos out every week without fail. My content is 100% free. There is no cost to subscribe. If you want to support the channel, then there is a donate option in the banner and there's a link in the descriptions. But that is purely if you want to. You are more than welcome to come and join my community and enjoy the content fully free of charge. Now, if you like the content of my videos, then I would ask that you subscribe, and there's a little bell for notifications, and that tells you when I've released a video, so you're the first to know, and it'll also notify you when I do my live chats, so you don't miss the live Q&As or the live chats. I also have a Facebook page, guys, and group, AntiquesArena, so go and look for that and join that. We have a wonderful community where we post up photos. It's really helpful. Everybody on there is wonderful and we all help each other. I hope you enjoy what you see on the channel, guys. Feel free to leave comments, and if there's anything you want films made of, feel free to ask and we'll get them made. Hope you enjoy. Bye for now.